Hello, and welcome to Using Academic Support for ESOL Students. To make the content in this video more accessible, click the Closed Captions button or adjust the playback speed. In this video, we will discuss quick definitions, bilingual and ESOL workshops, the ARC and Espanol, written feedback, 24/7 drop-in tutoring, and scheduled one-on-one support. If English is not your first language, this video is for you. Some terms you might see or hear at SNHU include ESOL, or English for Speakers of Other Languages, ELL, English Language Learners, MLL, Multilingual Learners, and Bilingual, able to speak 2 languages. So let's begin with accessing academic support. How do you do it? From any course in Brightspace, go to the top navigation menu and navigate to Academic Support. You will then be taken to the Academic Support Center portal, where all of our services are available on the top menu bar, as shown. Our first service is the Academic Resource Center, or ARC, now with videos and web pages in Espanol. From the Academic Support Center, click Resources. You will then be taken to the ARC. Not all of our ELLs speak Spanish, but if you do, you can search for your native language and see available resources in Espanol. Once you click on a resource, you'll be taken to the content, and related resources will appear on the right. Learn in groups through Academic Support's workshops. To sign up, click Workshops, then type and click keywords to search. Use ESOL or English to find workshops about language and writing skills, then click Book Now. If you can't attend the scheduled event, you can view a recording under My Account and previous sessions. Next is our most popular service, Written Feedback. To use our Written Feedback service, click Written Feedback on the top menu. You can send any written assignment through our written feedback form and receive a response within 12 hours. On the written feedback form, answer the questions there, including the topic of your assignment and its due date. You can also tell your tutor what areas you want to focus on. If you would like, at the bottom of the form, tell your tutor that you are an ESOL student. You can tell them what citation format you're using, then choose the file from your computer, attach your assignment, and click Submit. Another great service for ELLs is 24/7 drop-in tutoring. There are 2 key ways to use 24/7 drop-in tutoring. Use the topic menu and click Writing, then under Subject, click Writing for ELL. You can do the same with Reading, and then Reading for ELL. If you are a Spanish speaker, some tutors are available in Espanol. Simply change the language on the right side of the form, and then choose your topic and subject. Though not always available, you can ask for voice capability. Write your question, then click the green button. Finally, students can use scheduled one-on-one support via academic coaching. Academic coaching is ideal for people who are new to online learning or who have other barriers to their success. To connect to a coach, fill out our short survey, then use the calendar to select a day, a time, and a coach that works for you. Click the yellow button to book your session. To attend any pre-scheduled session or workshop, re-enter the Academic Support Center, find your appointment card, and click the Launch button. SNHU is privileged to have ELLs as students. We hope academic support can make your learning easier. For more academic support resources, visit the ARC or read this video's description. Thank you for watching. We hope to work with you soon.